Go.
तो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आई एम किर्क। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरे देशवासियों को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं किर्क आज आपके साथ अपने यूट्यूब चैनल द स्ट्रॉन्ग रूम के माध्यम से लेकर आया हूँ लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ ऑन कोरोना वैक्सीन। सो दोस्तों, एज वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट इंडिया हैज अप्रूव्ड 2 vaccines and one is underlined. So I just thought to come up with this news today and just to check what is the reality in this. So we tried to come up with the latest development on these vaccines and to cover up all the real facts about these vaccines, that how it is going to impact us and how it is going to be available for us and in what time. So friends, what a fantastic way to bring in 2021. I must say that it is the best way to start a new year by any country. India now entered among those few countries who have come up with their vaccine now. So it's one of the proud moment for our country and for our people and for all of us, for our scientists, for our researchers. This is something that we were working upon since we got this news of corona and since we got this pandemic hit our country. So doston, let us cover up the real facts about these vaccines approvals. What is the reality? Let us check the reality, what the government is saying, what DCGI is saying, and what are the most important points that we should know about these vaccines and when it is going to be available in country for the normal users. So friends, as we know that Covishield and Covaxin, these are the 2 vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield, which has been developed by the Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin, which has been developed by Bharat Biotech, which is an indigenous vaccine. So along with Oxford and AstraZeneca has been given the final permission by DCGI, but for the restricted emergency use only. So we have to understand what is restricted emergency use and also what is DCGI and how it is been permitted by DCGI, what are the government criteria for the usage of these vaccines. So friends, let me explain. DCGI is nothing but the epitome authority to give the approval for these vaccines, usage, which is Drug Controller General of India. So Drug Controller General of India is DCGI, which is the body which approves the usage of vaccines or medicines in our country at any point of the time. So Covishield or Covaxin को along with Oxford and AstraZeneca DCGI ने अप्रूव कर दिया है अपने देश के अंदर में, but the permission has been given on the restricted emergency use only. Restricted emergency use हम लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा दोस्तों. It means the government will procure these vaccines and they will be distributed to the priority groups only. Right now, government will procure these vaccines and this will be distributed to the priority groups only. Now, what is priority groups? So that also we have to understand that what is priority group. Priority group is like these are those 1 crore health workers. Those will be vaccinated first. That is the meaning of restricted use. Restricted use means 1 crore health workers will be vaccinated first. These are the guidelines. These are the documents that have been provided by DCGI yesterday. This is the main update on the Covishield and Covaxins. And let me tell you friends one more thing. There is another vaccine. There is the third vaccine which has also been under the trial, which has been permitted by DCGI, which is from Zydus Cadila. So this is the third vaccine which is under the way. So there are total 3 vaccines by our country. So this third vaccine will have 3 doses and Covishield and Covaxin will have 2 doses. So these are 2 doses vaccine. Covishield and Covaxin will have 2 doses, while Zydus Cadila that is developing another vaccine which is also in the third phase of the checking or trials, we can say, which will have 3 doses. This is the 3 doses vaccine. So this is the third vaccine under the line, that we are under those line of countries who have come up with this kind of vaccines. This is a proud moment for our country, our researchers, our scientists, our people, for all of us. So we are among those few countries. The trials will continue to run for the safety data, but the DCGI said considering in the new strain, it was necessary to give the permission to these vaccines as they have enough trials and safety data as of now, and they will continue the trials and datas. So दोस्तों ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अपने 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 डेटास को और ट्रायल्स को कंटिन्यू नहीं रखेंगे. these vaccines were already under the third phase of the trials एंड सेफ्टी डेटा के अंदर में इन लोगों ने 22,500 के अप्रोक्स डेटा कलेक्ट किए हैं टोटल, विच वे आर सपोज टू बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली अबाउट 25,000, which I will just get through the data in the later part. So these trials but will remain continued. So they will remain doing the trials, they will remain continuing with the trials, and they will remain continuing with the data collection of regarding the safety purposes. So अभी थर्ड फेज के अंदर में जो Zydus Cadila की है, which has not crossed that line which Covishield and Covaxin has done, that will also be get approval from DCGI, which will come soon, which has been already given as a detail by DCGI yesterday. So permission has already been given on the restricted emergency use, which we have already told you, and this will be distributed to the priority groups, and procurement will be done by the government. Clinical trials will remain continue. 1 crore health workers will be vaccinated first, and that is the winning of the restricted use. Covishield is showing the efficacy rate of more than 70%. That is what DCGI said. Similarly, Covaxin is also showing the same efficacy rate. So Covishield and Covaxin are giving the efficacy rate of 70%. Bharat Biotech along with ICMR and RNAIB, they are making the vaccine for the mutant strain also. That is also the details that has been provided by DCGI. So they are working on the mutant strain also. They have to check this first vaccine also, that is what is the percentage of efficacy rate on the mutant strain, but they are working with ICMR. Bharat Biotech is working with ICMR on the project of mutant strain in our country. So it's a big news that mutant strain vaccine may also come very soon, though we don't know whether the first vaccine will work on the mutant strain right now as a very 100% surety. This is a big news friends कि म्यूटेंट स्ट्रेन के ऊपर भी काम चल रहा है और भारत बायोटेक ICMR के साथ मिल करके इस पे वर्क कर रहा है फॉर आवर कंट्री. दो दे आर एश्योरिंग दैट द फर्स्ट वैक्सीन may also have a good effect on the mutant strain. So they are not denying from the fact that it may work or it may not work, but they are working on the mutant strain also. And very soon we'll be having these vaccines for the normal purposes. Friends, although the phase 3 trials of both the vaccines are under the way, but subject expert committee found that out of this certain number of people, the trial that were conducted, few participants shown the immunogenicity and safety, which is most important in vaccine. So that's why they have given the approval for these vaccines, and this was found in both the vaccines, Covishield as well as Covaxin. So in case of Bharat Biotech vaccine, they vaccinated almost 22,500 participants already, which I have already told you that they have already vaccinated 22,500 participants, which is almost equal to the proposed participants. And these participants have shown the immune response comparable to the Covaxin. So that is what the good news for us, and that is why the reason that they have been approved by DCGI, which has shown the efficacy rate of 70% also. This is the most important point. These all things are fine, but we must not forget an important point here, that Zydus Cadila is also a homegrown indigenous vaccine, which has also been allowed for the third phase trials, which will have 3 doses that we have told you. So in total we'll have 3 vaccines along with 2 vaccines which are Oxford and AstraZeneca, which have been approved for the use in country by DCGI. So that's a great news for our country. In the new year, something has started good in our country or in the world with this new year, and we should be proud on this. We should be happy on this. So we are fighting strong. Our clinical researchers are showing the world now that how strong we are in our intentions, how strongly we are moving ahead to fight against this disaster, and how strong our country is. And together we stand so strong and so intended to fight against this disease. I will not say a disease, I will say the disaster and a pandemic. WHO has congratulated our country. The world is congratulating our country. They are looking up to us. The world is looking up to India, and they are looking up to us for the future. They know that we are developing, we are working, we are fighting against pandemic, we are developing and working on the vaccines, and we'll be working on this, and for sure, like today, we'll come up with the different vaccines for the mutated strains also. So this shows the root of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which has been tweeted by our PM also yesterday. So this is the proud moment, and this is the Atmanirbhar Bharat. World will look up to us. We have to be together to fight against this disease. This is not been stopped right now, and there will be strains, there will be mutant strains, there may be some other strains which may come in future, and we know that our researchers, our scientists are good enough to work against those strains, to come up with the new vaccines, and we are very much hopeful. All the good wishes are with them, and together we are strong. We will be remaining strong, and we will show the world that together as a country we are very strong. Thank you दोस्तों. We'll come up with the different topics, all the live topics which are going on, with the most real and fact news whichever will be possible. Kindly subscribe us and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe us, you will be continuously getting all the new videos, all the new topics that will be coming up. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching us, friends. Take care of yourself. We will be coming soon with the new topics, with the new facts very soon.